Good morning, children. Now, in my last video, we have seen how to create a table. Create table, table name, your column name, then data type, size, comma, column name, data type, size, comma, column name, data type, size, everything. It has been done. Okay, I hope you have understand. I will do the practical and I will show you. Okay, but the theoretical part you have to learn like this only. Next is, now we have created a table. Now you have to insert the values. This is the table. Okay, you have created the table, right? Now we want to insert the values, insert the rows. In this you have to insert each row individually. Okay, individually you have to insert. How to insert? To insert the rows. Insert into table name and your content. Into table name values. Okay, so let us see. Insert into, what is your table name? Table name is details. To table name values, bracket open, ID 136 comma. ठीक है, हो गया? We have done. Then name you have to write in the double quotes or in the single quotes. Okay, Amit, comma, date of birth है ना, 2009/11/26. Okay, the date should also be in the double quotes. Date and name to be in the double quotes. Marks you write 86.45, bracket close, semicolon. You have inserted a single row. Now you have to insert, if you want to insert 5 rows, 10 rows, 100 rows, you have to insert in the same format. Okay, again next you have to write again, insert into details, values, another detail of the student. Third one also, insert into details, values, next the third, content. Okay, you have to make a practice of it. Suppose this is 136, name Amit, then space is not there, beta, 11,26. What I have written, 86.45. You have inserted the first row. After this you will insert one row, inserted, it will display. है ना, 162 Ayush 2009/6/21 68.9. Okay, 143 Chaya 2009/5/16 74.3. है ना. So first row we have inserted. Similarly, you have to insert the second row also like this in the same format. Third row also you have to insert. Okay. Now you have created a table and you have inserted the values. Now if we want to see, to view, we can say, to view the tables in the database. You have created a database. Which database you have created? You have created a database in the name of school. Okay. In that school there are having number of tables. In the same way, just I have said, class 11 folder you are having, and in that you are having different sections as English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Bio, Accounts, whatever, and those are the different tables. Okay. So now you want to see how many tables are there in your database. Okay, at that point MySQL prompt will be there. You have to write show tables. What it will does? It will display you the table's name. Details we are having like this. Okay, and suppose another table is there, school fees. It will show tables. Database का नाम क्या था? School. Okay. It will show you the database name, and in that you will, how many tables you are having, it will display like to you. Okay. Now you have created the structure. You have created this black portion. Okay. You have created the structure of a table. Now you want to view the structure of the table. सुनने में थोड़ा सा अटपटा सा लग रहा है ना? But I will show you the practical. At that moment, at that time only you will be clearly understood. Okay. To view the structure of the table. To view the structure of the table, you have to write MySQL prompt will be there. Describe. What you will write? Describe details. Details because this is your table name. Details is your table name. So we want to see the structure. So what it will, how it will show? It will show the structure like this. Field, type, null, key, default, extra. Okay. Roll number, name, gender, marks. This is the column name. This is the data type what you have taken. Yes, it will by default it will show yes, because we are, if the null value means there is no value, it will accept it. Okay. Key is for primary key, foreign key, like that, and default, null, extra. It will be told afterwards to you. Okay.